The primary aim of this Descuento Caravan is to provide reasonably priced quality products to consumers. These products are offered at prices sometimes being sold in packs to provide savings to consumers. The Descuento Caravan plays a crucial role in promoting accessibility and affordability of basic necessities and prime commodities to consumers, especially during challenging times like public health emergencies and economic crisis. For today's Descuento Caravan, we will provide a helping hand as you prepare for the upcoming school year. Kaya nga ang tinawag is Descuento Caravan Balik Eskwela Edition.
Part sa Descuento Caravan is kaning mga exhibitors. Because kung wala ni sila, wala yung tayo Descuento Caravan.
Ini nga programa sa atong gobyerno na kung ayon niyo kinatabang kaning Descuento Caravan kung kadiwa ng Pangulo. Kung ini nakapalit kita sa nagkalain-laing produkto, of course, sa ubos na presyo.
Ang Balik Eskwela Edition, awang mga tagan, nato o suporta ang atong mga ginikanan, estudyante o mga magtutudlo samtang nag-andam kita alang sa bagong tuig sa eskwela. Ang atong Descuento Caravan maghatag og mga produkto nga barato o affordable nga makatabang o dako sa atong mga ginikanan sa pagpamahid sa kinahanglanon sa eskwela.
Serves as a testament to the unity and commitment of the provincial and municipal local government units and national government agency to prioritize education. Let us work together to equip each and every student with the essential supplies they need to succeed. On behalf of the entire DTI Misamis Occidental team, I wish you a fantastic time exploring the Descuento Caravan Balik Eskwela Edition kung kadiwa ng Pangulo.